How to enable or disable secure boot on Windows 10. Are you facing boot issues or concerned about malware impacting your PC's startup? Understanding secure boot is crucial for Windows 10 and 11 users. This video will walk you through enabling or disabling it for better system security and compatibility. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding secure boot. Secure boot is an essential security feature in modern PCs with unified extensible firmware interface firmware. It ensures that only trusted software runs when your computer starts, effectively blocking malware like rootkits from loading before your operating system. It works by verifying cryptographic signatures of software, allowing only programs signed with a trusted key to run. This protection is critical in today's cybersecurity landscape, safeguarding your firmware, bootloaders, and OS from integrity threats. When to enable or disable secure boot. Generally, keeping secure boot enabled is recommended for its security benefits. However, there are scenarios where disabling it might be necessary. This includes when you're using operating systems that do not support secure boot, when dual booting Windows with Linux, when you need to use custom drivers without valid digital signatures. Always assess the necessity and trustworthiness of the software you're booting when disabling it. Preparing to change. Secure boot settings. Before you modify secure boot settings, always back up your important data. While changes won't affect your Windows license or files, incorrect configuration can prevent your system from booting. If BitLocker is enabled, ensure you have your recovery key handy, as you might need it after making changes. How to enable or disable secure boot. Enabling or disabling secure boot is done via your system's UEFI setup interface, not from within Windows. You typically access this by pressing a specific key like ESC, F1, F2, F10, F12, or delete during startup. Once in the UEFI interface, navigate to the secure boot setting, which might be under Boot or Advanced Configurations. Steps vary by manufacturer. Dell. Reboot. Press F2. Find settings in Boot Configuration. HP. Reboot. Press F10. Find settings in Advanced, then go to Secure Boot Configuration. Asus. Reboot, press F2 or delete. Find settings in Boot or Advanced. Acer. Reboot, press F2. Find settings in Boot, then go to Secure Boot. Always save changes and exit by pressing F10. If you encounter issues like your system failing to boot, try toggling Secure Boot back to its previous state or use Windows Recovery Mode. Understanding and managing Secure Boot is important for maintaining your PC's security and ensuring compatibility with various operating systems and drivers. For more information, check out our official blog post on tutorial, How to Enable or Disable Secure Boot on Windows 10 PC, linked in the description below.